What's going on, everyone? It is 4:30 in the morning. I just got off work and today we're gonna head out to Rock Cut State Park and do some hiking. So the plan is to get to the state park and then sleep inside my car while the weather's still cool and like 60-ish degrees. What I'm trying to avoid is actually getting to the park early, hiking around, and then trying to come back to my car after I'm sweaty and then trying to sleep in it when it's 100 degrees. I'll see you when we get there. It is 66.6 degrees in the car. I'm gonna take a couple hours worth of beauty rest and then we'll see how hot the car gets this afternoon. I see a lot of people ask questions on the light blocking curtains is what do you do for the front windshield? And that is I take this beach towel and then just prop it up between the two sun visors and then it'll block the whole front section versus the back section. First night in the Fit Camper 2.0, we got 67.6 degrees on the inside. Don't have a place for my fan yet, but it's just over there. I may or may not need it. Light inserts in. Can you tell I have a frame underneath this? Spinning around to the back. Still stretch out this way. Has anyone ever slept in their car the opposite way? It's my beach towel that I'm dividing the car so you can't see light out the front. There's just a cheap blanket. And now the coolest part is I still have access to my fridge, and underneath here is all my charging ports. Don't judge my lid. And then this gives me room to put the backpack in front, which I'm going to do now. My backpack wasn't that big today, but usually it goes under here and props it up a little bit. I'm going to use that as a pillow. I'll get some sleep right now and then I'll see you in the morning. Hey, what's going on? It is almost noon. Apparently my friend is outside of my car. He met me here. It is, what do we got here? 81 degrees in the car. Wasn't too bad. What a pleasant surprise that my friend found my car. Trying to find access to the lake if it is available. I read that it's at a ultra low point at the moment, so they may be doing some work like dredging. No solar input. You want right there? We went to Olson Beach, but it was closed. So now we're trying to find one of the boat launches. My friend brought his paddle board, so we're gonna try to go attempt that. Whole way. Coming in. Mr. Blake's gonna teach me how to paddleboard.
get it on with your knees. You're like this, right? You're pretty sturdy. Basically, I usually just put my hands flat, hands right where your knees were. You're good. Send the pull.
Hopefully by the end of the month, I plan on getting a kayak on the fit. I can see how you'd want a double paddle.
Huh?
I can see how you'd want a double paddle.
When you're sitting, it just makes sense. Use your skateboarding skills to help you.
Now I want a paddleboard, but anyway, probably get a kayak and a paddleboard. Woo! Makes me really want my kayak. At the start of the summer, obviously they were sold out everywhere. Now they're coming more available in stock at the stores. But I didn't have my car, so I could have bought the kayak, but I had no way to get it home. Plus I need to find a way to transport it on my roof. We're gonna go find another place to park, and then we're gonna go hike around the lake and then go head out somewhere to eat. I found a trail by the parking lot by where we went kayaking, so I don't know my way around here, so I'm just gonna take that one. Wish I sprayed myself in bug spray. I brought it, but I forgot to spray myself. I also forgot to put suntan lotion in the car. Probably got a little burnt today. We'll find out later. I feel like those are perfect stairs. Where I slept last night. Should be getting close to my car, hopefully. Oh, I finally made it back to the lot. Should have put my water in the fridge or the cooler. I don't know what I was thinking. Man, 4 o'clock. I think that took me 2 hours to get around the lake. It's 105 degrees in the car. Peak was 110. Low point at the night, or when I started this, was 61. Dang, humidity got pretty high, 82. I don't have any damp rid packs in the car yet. I think I left those in the garage. I'm gonna go get out of here, find a place to cook some lunch, and then just chill out for the night, and then get ready for the car show tomorrow morning. All that gets done through you, so you're not splitting the day.
That's true, and I think there's going to be a lot more of us.
Try out my cooking setup. There's a fire stove in the pavilion over there, but no grill stands, if you know what I mean. Crap, just left my car open. Speaking of leaving my door open, I forgot everything in my cooler. I'm going to attempt to clean my pot and pan. Got some water from the road shower. I'm going to heat it up with heat that's left over. That wasn't too bad. My burgers fell apart, so I basically made like sloppy Joe. Cleaning the pot and pan wasn't too bad. I didn't put any pressure in the road shower, so it was just natural pressure from the sun. It's 7:45, so I'm gonna find somewhere to camp for the night because this park closes at dusk. And then I'm gonna chill out and finish my movie on Netflix. Oh, don't hit the sign. Found this nice spot off the turnpike. Got a nice table here. I should have cooked my burger here. Got my tablet. I'm gonna watch a movie with the hatch open. If the bugs get too bad, I'm gonna turn on the fan and try to blow them out. It's actually kind of nice. It says it's 77 degrees, but there's a nice breeze. It's 6:46 a.m. I'm gonna get back home, clean the car up, and get ready for this car show. They really take care of us out here. Put us at a CAMPER and a car show. And we got a lot of great guys here in Winton, and great food. I appreciate you guys coming. Check out the clearance.
car that I probably would have never voted for, but it has history. This guy is unbelievable. He sleeps in this car. He does trips. He goes all over the country. He's got this Honda. He's got everything in it. A shower, everything.
Nice.
Thank you.
Unbelievable. There's a white trophy for you. It'll match your car.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, son.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
That was
Hey Google, turn off the garage.
All right, turning off the garage.